Hey, this is Clint Baker from Hillbilly, Hippie, Honeybees. So today we are in our learning yard here at Nitro, West Virginia, and I'm going to do one of probably the quickest and easiest splits anybody could do, as far as to make it easier. You've probably seen this done a lot, but these are getting ready to. She's to the point now to where there is no queen charge cups in there, queen cells or anything, but it's getting close to time to where that's going to happen. So what we're going to do is I'll show you exactly step by step on what we're going to do. All right, so we've already done this one back here. Put it in. Camera wasn't working exactly right. So what we're going to do is I want to get in here to make this split. I want to get in here and I want to make sure that there's no queen cells already started, which there shouldn't be, because David just came in last week and put these new double deeps on top, or the next deep on top, making a double deep. And so again, always want to check make sure your queen's not on the lid. Scares me when people just take them off and start throwing them around. All right, so let's start over here. Both of these were swarms that we caught early, midsummer, and they've really done well. So they built up quickly and they made it through the winter. So we want to split these, and this is probably the easiest way you can do a split, in my opinion. There are other ways. We've done the Del Mare split, we've done just different walkaway splits, we've done that, but this one here I think is probably one of the easiest. So today I've got my suit on. These are very calm bees, but I've got my suit on because we were supposed to have a lot of rain. Look at all that brood. We were supposed to have, yes, and this has day old up in here, which is good. But we're supposed to have off and on rain all day, and so there are some cups, but nothing pre-charged. So I'm gonna actually take this stuff off. Some people don't like to take off bridge comb. I do. I'll tell you why. I think those are queen killers in there. So if you look down in there where they're building all the brood comb between there and then the bridge comb, that can sometimes be a little spicy as far as crushing your queen down in there or killing a lot of bees. So I try to get it cleaned off of there. Again, to each their own. David went through again and put these extra deeps on here a few weeks ago, and you can tell she needed it because they are filling this up. Both of these seem to be pretty daggum good queens, so we figured since we're going to move these to our out yard, one of the ones that where we lost all of them, this is part of our thing that we're wanting to do. We're going to try to make a bunch of bees, but we're also going to try to, or not going to try, on the 25th we run up to Greg Burns's place. A lot of day old. She might even be on this frame. Yep, and she is right there. She is right there. Beautiful queen. Beautiful. So that's all we're looking for. I wanted to see, one, where is she? And two, is there day old stuff up here? All right. So all I'm going to do is put this back together. I know that she is up here. You really don't have to know where she's at. You could actually do this. I just got stung. It's a little windy, but we will get, I'm just going to take this and pop this off now that I know she's in here and not down there. And all I want to do here, this is just for my, well, no, not even that. Actually, yeah, I'm going to pop this here. And I just want to see if they have, whoops, if I don't kill them all. Just want to see if they've done any queen cup building, and guess what? They have not. So everything up underneath here looks pretty good. I'm just going to put all this back together. Now I will say that these here in this box are a little bit more spicy than the others, but oops, that's okay. Alright, so what we're going to do? Well, we're going to take the double screen board. So why is it a double screen board? It's got two screens on either side, and it's got an entrance. Alright, so we're going to put this on here like this. I'm going to face that towards the back. Okay. Now I'm going to put this right back on top here, just like that. And so what will that do? So because of that double screen in there, because that double screen in there, they can't touch each other. Tongues can't touch each other, they can't smell each other. So eventually, since the queen's up here, she'll keep doing her thing. These down here will think that they're queenless, and they'll start producing queen cells. And so that's what we want them to do. And so then we'll come back in 10 days, see if they're doing that. If they are, right then and there, we can actually at that point in time pull them and make sure that they're, or go ahead and set up the two colonies, so we'll have 4 out of 2, or there may even be more than 1 or 2 queen cells down here, and we can make some splits off of it that way as well. So just a little bit easier as far as weight wise when it comes to this versus the Damari. Kind of like a walk away split. There's a lot of folks out there that do this type of split or preparation for a split, and it will be, we'll come back like I said in a weekend or so, and we will look at them and see. So they're already found an entrance over here. Why? Because this box is an old box, and they had 2 entrances in this one anyway. It was kind of getting on David's nerves a little bit, I think, but now we're set up to do a good old-fashioned split. And so that'll help quite a bit for us. So again, this is one of the things we're going to do to replenish our yard, and we're going to do that with a couple of these in here. So that is a good old-fashioned using your double screen board. I think that's one of our probably least used, best tools that we anymore a lot of people forget to use. but they're easy to make, and they're easy to use. So hopefully that helps you. Hopefully this is something that you can do to maybe boost your yard. Maybe you're wanting to grow. This is an easy way to grow and grow slow. And then what happens if we get back in here and there's no queen cells down here? We just take the board out and let them go back to doing their thing. So, and then we're not out anything. Or since they are queenless, they feel they're queenless, that'd be a good time you could introduce a new queen. Maybe you've got some queens or you're buying some queens. So these are just a couple ways things that you can do with that. And I hope I didn't make the mud hole muddier. So anyway, all right, well, that's that. I think I've already done, like I said, done these two. I'm gonna look through these two here, and if we've got the same thing going on, I might do those as well, just so we can get us some extras in here. So all right, well, hey, I want to break in real quick and ask you to like and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you some good content.